This is just a quick demonstration of the picking functionality. So right now we've got both our visual scripts created, the picking functionality and also the transform on surface functionality. So I'm just going to create a quick rock from the Anything World browser. You just click on, just type in rock and just find a rock and add it in. Now the object needs to have a rigid body and a collider in order for this to work. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly check to see if it's in my if it fits in my camera view, my game view, and I'm also going to just click on search in add component rigid body. Once I've added the rigid body, I just want to add a box collider, and I just want to edit my box collider to be 100 by 100, and then I'm just going to manually edit the scale myself and just wrap that box collider around the rock. Once I've done that, I'm going to check again to see if the rigid body is working, and I'm also going to need to change the layer name from default to selectable objects, because remember earlier in our script we made sure that the layer was selectable objects. So anything that's got the layer selectable objects obviously is now selectable. So when I play this, it should be able to pick up. Once I click on the object, I should be able to pick and move it. And now there's a reason why I can't. And that reason is because in my transform objects functionality in the raycast, I haven't set the max distance to anything. So right now it's set to 0. I'm going to set it to 100. And let's try that again. And there you go. So I've obviously updated this in play mode. I would have to go out of play mode and update this as well to make sure that this functionality continues to work. But there you go. We have a picking and dragging object function. Now this is going to be the main function that's going to drive the game and allow the users to move obstacles out of the way for the submarine to get through. So you can see here the object is even showing in the picked object functionality what objects I've actually picked by showing the tag.